Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the world of perfect rice with a powerhouse appliance that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience. We're talking about the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, model CRP-LHTR0609FW. If you've ever struggled with achieving that ideal rice texture, whether it's fluffy, sticky, or anything in between, then stick around, because this cooker might just be your new best friend. Let's start with what makes this CUCKOO model truly stand out, its twin pressure technology. This isn't just a fancy name, it's a fundamental difference in how your rice is cooked. You have the option to choose between high-pressure cooking or non-pressure cooking. Now, why is this important? High-pressure cooking is fantastic for those times when you want that perfectly chewy, sticky rice, ideal for sushi or many Asian dishes. On the other hand, non-pressure cooking delivers unbelievably fluffy rice, which is perfect for a simple side dish or when you want the individual grains to shine. This dual functionality means you're not locked into one style of rice, but rather have the versatility to cater to a wide range of culinary needs and preferences. Underpinning this impressive pressure system is advanced induction heating, or IH technology. Unlike older rice cookers that rely on heating elements at the bottom of the pot, IH technology surrounds the entire inner pot with heat. This means more even cooking, faster cooking times, and ultimately, more delicious results. You'll notice the difference in how uniformly cooked your rice is, with no burnt spots or undercooked areas. It's a more efficient way to cook and it truly elevates the final texture and flavor of your rice. Now, the CUCKOO CRP-LHTR0609FW also boasts smart fuzzy logic. This intelligent algorithm is a game-changer for consistent results. It automatically detects the type of grain you're cooking and monitors the internal temperature throughout the process. This effectively takes the guesswork out of rice cooking. No more second-guessing water levels or cooking times. The cooker adjusts itself to ensure optimal results every single time. Plus, it features an automatic keep warm mode, so your rice stays at the perfect serving temperature without drying out or becoming mushy. Beyond just plain white rice, this cooker is incredibly versatile. The sleek LED display panel offers 23 different operating modes. This is where the more in cook perfect rice and more really comes into play. You'll find dedicated settings for GABA rice, brown rice, scorched rice, porridge, baby food, and veggie rice. It also includes high-pressure and non-pressure steam options. Think about the possibilities this opens up. You can prepare not just perfect rice, but also a variety of side dishes and even entire meals with this one appliance. From a hearty porridge in the morning to fluffy rice for dinner, and even steamed vegetables for a healthy side, this cooker can handle it all. The capacity of this cooker is an ideal 6 cups of uncooked rice, which translates to about 12 cups of cooked rice. This is a fantastic size for medium-sized families, or for those who like to entertain and have guests over. It's large enough to prepare sufficient portions for meals and side dishes, but not so large that it becomes cumbersome for everyday use. It strikes a really good balance for most households. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are numerous and quite significant. The twin pressure technology offers unparalleled versatility for different rice textures. The induction heating ensures superior, even cooking. The smart fuzzy logic provides remarkable consistency and ease of use. The sheer number of cooking modes makes it a multifunctional kitchen appliance, not just a rice cooker. And the 6-cup capacity is well suited for many families. The voice guide is also a nice touch for accessibility and added convenience. On the flip side, some potential cons to consider. First, the price point for a premium rice cooker like this can be higher than basic models. Secondly, with so many features and modes, there might be a slight learning curve initially to understand all the options. And while it's a 6-cup cooker, if you regularly cook for a very large family or host large gatherings frequently, you might consider a larger capacity model. However, for most users, the benefits of the advanced technology and versatility far outweigh these minor considerations. In conclusion, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker CRP-LHTR0609FW is an exceptional appliance for anyone who takes their rice seriously, or wants to expand their culinary horizons with a reliable, multifunctional cooker. Its innovative features, from twin pressure to induction heating and smart logic, deliver consistently perfect results and a level of convenience that is hard to beat. If you're looking to upgrade your rice cooking game and explore a wider array of meal possibilities, this CUCKOO cooker is definitely worth a close look. Link in the description.